Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the DAZEVO Minimalist Carbon Fiber Leather Wallet. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this open, you'll see not much to it, just a simple card. And then our main wallet here does have kind of a magnet front. You'll see the magnet there. That allows it to kind of click. This does expand, so you'll have multiple spots. You'll be able to have a bifold go in here. I'm not going to really showcase how all the cards fit, but there's slots for 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll call it 2 identification card slots. Nothing on the outsides, but then you'll have plenty of room. I'm going to kind of throw a bunch of cards in here and try and see how many fit. And then we'll count them out. Let's see if I can get one more in. No, that's probably it. And then, of course, the beauty is that these things flip open, and I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards in there with 0 issue there. Pretty thick cards too, just being honest with you. And I use the thick ones just to test this out. Really nice there. Again, spot for billfold. These things will literally fill in there, fill in behind, and again, you'll have your billfold area. Of course, you can put stuff in there. As far as thinness, not the thinnest wallet you'll find, but it's also not the thickest. I've definitely seen thicker. So overall, it's a great looking case. Again, brand specific is DAZEVO. And one of the most important parts is the RFID blocking capabilities. Again, you got your magnet. It's a really nice, beautiful wallet, carbon fiber look and feel here, and lightweight. So hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.